Alright, so yesterday in Rio, it was mid-90s, sunny, water was warm. 24 hours later, here we are, Cubscott Stadium. DNR said to go here. It is 60s, feels like mid-60s. Steady drizzle, fairly windy. Nobody else is out here. If I can make it in like 30 minutes today, I'll consider that a victory. I have heard some thunder, but I have not seen any lightning. And take a look at, since I was here last, grass growing at some points halfway out, halfway across the whole track. Look at this. More thunder. You hear that? I'm risking it here. In the words of Jordo, go out in the thunder and lightning and die, Jen. Look at that, halfway through. Wow, they gotta do something about this, boys. It's even taller over here. They gotta fix that up, boys. All right. Wipe off my lens here. So Cubscott Stadium. It's right there, home of the Cubs. Here we go. Like I said, nobody out here, windy. And all right, so we're gonna maybe one for all the marbles coming up this afternoon. It's picking up out here, so I'm gonna head on out. Later, guys.